Hi everybody, I am Chhablani. I am a retina specialist from UPMC, a Vision Institute, Pittsburgh. I am also a director for Choroidal Analysis and Research Lab at the University of Pittsburgh. So from our group, we have been focusing on choroidal imaging, and in the last few years, we have developed tools to create 3D choroidal imaging, where we actually are able to see the 3D choroidal vessels from the in vivo imaging using Plex Elite Zeiss dataset. We have multiple posters from our group. Just to explain to you in short that, it's using these 3D choroidal vessels, we actually have shown that, how these choroidal changes occur before even the disease processes start. So I will not go into the details, but we do see the changes in the choroidal vasculature in early AMD cases, which keep progressing as the disease or the phenotype progresses. We are also reporting the changes in the eyes with central serous chorioretinopathy, where we all know that choroidal vessels play a very important role. We also have a poster where we have compared from the fellow eyes. And I would say that the choroidal vasculature will become a very important biomarker, and we are also exploring its use in identifying the disease, identifying the early recurrences, as well as seeing the impact of our therapeutics on these choroidal vessels. Our group is a mix of machine learning engineers along with clinical research fellows. So we closely work with the artificial intelligence team. So in this ARVO, we have multiple posters and presentations on use of artificial intelligence on the imaging. One of our very interesting poster, what we have here, is the differentiation of real OCT and the synthetic OCT. So our group has been working on creating synthetic OCT. So we have an interesting poster on that. Along with that, we have one very interesting oral talk with one of our research students is presenting. In this oral talk, he is actually talking about the inter-device classification of macular degeneration. So as a clinician, we all know that we all have different OCT devices in our different offices, and then the patient is coming to one office in one visit, going to another office in another visit. So we have a mixed bag of OCT for our given patient. So this is a very common problem in our field, and this creates challenge even when we are training the data set using deep learning models for prediction. So this was one of the projects which one of our students did, where he tried to train the model on cirrus data set and then applied it on spectralis. And in his presentation, which is on Thursday, he is showing that how this cirrus model is working on the spectralis model, and by doing the fine tuning, how he is improving the AMD classification using less spectralis data.